Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Google Maps app on your device. Whether you're navigating around town or planning your next road trip, having Google Maps readily accessible on your phone makes getting directions incredibly convenient. Let's walk through the simple process of getting this app set up. First, open your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. This will take you to the main Google Maps website where you can access all the mapping features. Once you're on the page, you'll notice various options and tools available for navigation and exploration. Now look over to the left side panel of the screen. Here you'll find several menu options that help you navigate different features of Google Maps. Among these options, locate and click on Get App. This is your gateway to downloading the mobile version of Google Maps directly to your smartphone or tablet. After clicking Get App, you'll be presented with a QR code displayed prominently on your screen. This QR code is a quick and efficient way to transfer the download link directly to your mobile device. Simply open your phone's camera or a QR code scanning app, point it at the code on your computer screen, and scan it. Once scanned, it will automatically redirect you to the download page for Google Maps on your device, and from there, the app will begin downloading and installing. It's a seamless process that takes just seconds. However, if you prefer not to use the QR code method, there's an alternative approach that's just as straightforward. Below the QR code, you'll see two additional options. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, click on Download on the App Store. This will take you directly to Apple's App Store where you can download Google Maps. If you're using an Android device, click on Get It on Google Play instead. This redirects you to the Google Play Store where the app is available for download. Simply follow the prompts on either store to complete the installation. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Google Maps app on your device, making navigation and location searches more accessible whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.